How to delete old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Account Center. Following this, you'll see Manage Account at the bottom. Once done, tap on Instagram and select the Manage button right beside it. From here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. At this stage, select Delete Account instead of Deactivate. After this, choose a reason for deletion from the drop-down menu. Once completed, tap Continue and enter your password to confirm. Finally, tap Delete Account to permanently remove it. Important note: you must have access to your password to delete your account. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it first before attempting deletion. And that's it. If this deletion guide helped you remove your Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.